Pigment mixing videos are exploding across every major social media platform, and creators are pulling in millions of views with this incredibly satisfying content style. In fact, one channel has already crossed 880,000 subscribers simply by uploading these videos, and its biggest upload has reached an unbelievable 227 million views. The best part? I recreated the same style using AI in less than 5 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the complete free workflow from start to finish. Before we jump in, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss future AI automation tutorials. The first step is to open the master prompt I've prepared for you. You'll find the link down in the description. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT, then press enter. It will immediately ask which materials you want to combine. Open a fresh chat and paste the second prompt there, then hit enter once again. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate multiple creative material combinations that work perfectly for pigment mixing videos. Pick the combination you like the most and copy it. I'm choosing the very first suggestion for this example. Paste the selected objects back into ChatGPT and press enter. It will instantly create 2 detailed image prompts along with 1 video prompt, giving you everything required for the project. Copy the first image prompt and head over to Google Flow. Choose the image generation option and double-check that your preferred settings are enabled before generating. Paste the first prompt and click Generate. After a few moments, your first image will appear. Select the version you like best, click the 3-dot menu, and choose Add to Prompt. By the way, what's the biggest problem you're currently facing with YouTube automation? Drop it in the comments, and I'll personally help you with a solution as soon as possible. Also, if you're enjoying this tutorial so far, a quick subscribe really helps and keeps these free guides coming. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and generate your next image. Once it's ready, switch over to the video option. I'm using the Omni Flash video model and selecting ingredients. Drag your first image and your second image into the project. Next, copy the video prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into Google Flow. Click Generate, and within a short time your animation will be finished. Import the completed clip into your favorite video editor. Place it on the timeline, and add a simple text layer displaying the names of the mixed materials clearly on the screen, just like this. Export the final result, and your relaxing pigment mixing video is ready to upload. Here's another example I made using this exact workflow. Nothing changes except the materials you choose. The same simple process can produce endless satisfying videos in just a few minutes. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to subscribe for more AI YouTube automation content. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below because I read every one and reply with solutions whenever I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.